Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you my favorite wireless mouse.
This is the KLO Bluetooth Mouse for MacBook in rose gold, and it does work with other devices, but I absolutely love it because it is truly a wireless mouse. I don't even need a USB port taken up to use it. It is just going to pair with my device by Bluetooth. It has your right and left keys and then your scroll function. And I absolutely have to have a mouse because I'm not a big fan of just using the mouse pad. So I do love that this has a long battery life. Once you turn it on, you're able to pair it with whatever device you're using and you are going to be good to go. I do love that it is rechargeable, whether I plug it into the wall or if I even need to plug it into my device. It's got a nice quiet click and overall just so super functional.
So I really do love this mouse because it is so lightweight and it works perfectly with my laptop, and I don't have to worry about needing any USB ports or anything. So if you need a wireless mouse, this is definitely the one for you, and that is my point of view.